we're going to do a comparison of the two masters of swimming pool automation. We have two very similar machines here. Watch this whole video to get the lowdown on which one might be best for you. Now, what is the best things about these two? The Aiper X1 Pro Max and the BeatBot Sora 70 is they both are the only machines that clean the floors, the walls, the water line, the surface, and steps. The surface is the key. A lot of machines have extra machines that will do the surface cleaning, but these two machines do it all. Now, they are an investment because they can do it all, and they have some really incredible qualities. You can't go wrong with either one, but let me tell you the differences so you can make the best decision. First, we're talking about the Aiper X1 Pro Max. This is a beast of a machine, and it has dual front rollers and rollers in the back as well. It also has Caterpillar treads, and the BeatBot has similar dual front rollers and Caterpillar treads and dual rollers in the back, which means it gets lots of suction. Now, the differences are minute, but they might make a difference to you. The Aiper can do 10 hours on the surface and 7 on the floor, and the BeatBot can do 7 hours on the surface and 5 on the floor. The BeatBot will charge a little bit faster to get back in the game sooner, so you really aren't missing out on very much. Now, the BeatBot has a feature where it uses jet propulsion to propel the debris into the machine when it's on the surface. That's unique, and it does result in a great yield. Now, the Aiper does very good on the surface as well. Now, these two machines are incredible that they have 6-liter and 5-liter respectively in debris baskets, and they each have very good suction. The Aiper has 100 GPM and it has filtration suction. Now, let me show you what these debris baskets look like so you can see what they take in. Now, I keep my pool pretty clean, but it still has a lot to gather. Now, this is what the Aiper looks like. Look at that. A lot of fine debris. Now, if I had leaves in there, it would get those too. But this is what's a pretty clean pool looks like. It still has little leaves, sand, and debris. And these easy to clean filtration mesh sides come apart for a really good clean, as well as they do a very good job in keeping the debris in the basket. It does have a vertical lift, which makes it very easy to clean. Now, the BeatBot does as well. This design is different, but look how much it got in here. Now, this particular day, my pool was a little bit dirtier, but look, it got the safe filtration of all those tiny little leaves and sticks. It has this big center pull here where you can pull it out from the center, so it has a big area, and it does do a very, very good job. Lots of mesh areas, complete with the strong bracing systems in the middle. Very good cleaning on both of these. Now, both of these were provided for me, for my honest opinion, and I love them both. I use them frequently in my pool. I love seeing the differences, but they're both very, very good. Now, they both have great apps that are very easy to use, and the Aiper also has the digital screen right here on the top, which is very handy, so you can see exactly what you're choosing. You have your eco mode, your floors, your walls, your surface, and all combinations of the same. And the BeatBot is on this side. It is a very simple use, which I like. It has two choices here on the machine. You have full mode where you do everything. You have a full mode, and you have a walls, floors, and water line mode. Now, that's just one simple choice. Now, when you use the app, you can use much more detailed choices. You can do scheduling, and you have the QR code right on the machine, which is very nice. They both have rear charging, which makes it very easy to back it up into your area where you charge them. And the Aiper comes with an optional caddy that you can get. That is very nice. I like the caddy. It makes it easier to get to and from the pool, and it has a caddy cover, and it has a rear option in the back of the caddy to charge it, so you can back it up against the charging wall. Both of these are cordless and masterful, and you can charge them very easily. All right, big guy, you ready for your first swim? Here we go. You let the Aiper sit horizontal on the side of the pool for about 5 seconds. Turn it on. Select your cleaning mode. All right, here we go. Have a good swim. Let's see what's happening. He's assessing the pool, spinning around, checking out the landscape. You are seeing the 360-degree mapping adaptive FlexiPath 2.0 feature where it scans the entire pool and adapts in real time for precise full coverage cleaning across all pool shapes. You have ultra-fine filtration and power with an extra micro mesh filter. It captures even the finest particles with superior efficiency. As you can see, the pool looks beautiful, and the Aiper S will vacuum the surface of the water. Look how it goes over the surface, filtering out anything that is debris or bugs or leaves. It's amazing. And then when it finishes its time, it will stay at the surface and go to the edge so it can be retrieved. What a smart, amazing device. I absolutely love it. As a pool owner, it's always a challenge after you cut the grass when you have all of this stuff in your pool. That is why I have the Aiper Scuba X1 Pro Max. Watch how it tackles this problem. It will vacuum my steps, my floor, my walls, the water line, and it will skim the surface. There it goes, off to its task. Watch it as it cleans this tanning shelf. Look how it climbs the walls, even the curved spaces. It hangs on there with those mighty gripping caterpillar type wheels. And that powerful motor pulls in the debris off the water line and the sides of the pool and retreats and comes back again in a systematic approach. Look at it climb the steps of this pool. 1, 2, 3 steps. Cleaning each as it goes. That powerful, powerful grip that it has allows it to hurdle that step. Look at that guy go. And hold on to its grips, cleaning the debris off the steps, horizontally and vertically. That is awesome. I've never seen a cleaner do that. Look at it here. Skimming the pool, retrieving the grass clippings on the surface, making the pool ultimately clean in a systematic, organized way on the surface of the pool. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful clean pool, beautiful blue water, and comes to the side. It's called recalling, and it comes to the side so you can kick it out. You can even retrieve it with the hook that's provided, or just pick it up manually. Love, love, love the Aiper X1 Pro Max. You can return it to its caddy where it sits in a slanted position like this, recharging itself, getting ready for the next cleaning. A coordinating caddy is available to help you wheel it to the place of your choice. With or without the caddy, it works great. The difference in the size is the Aiper is 33 pounds and the BeatBot is 23 pounds. But with the optional caddy, the 33 pounds doesn't hinder me at all, and that's not very heavy, but it is a good bit heavier than the BeatBot. Now, the other thing we're going to talk about is mapping. Aiper is a monster with 8,500 gallons per hour, and the BeatBot is very, very strong at 6,800 gallons per hour. Now, they both have sensors that will help obstacle avoidance and with mapping. The Aiper has hundreds of sensors in the machine, which gives it great mapping ability. And the BeatBot is known for a specialty that it will get in areas of 8 inches or less. So it's really great for shallow ledges and stairs. And it also has these sidewinder wheels, which gives you a really good clean on the water line because it will attack it horizontally and vertically. Now, these are both masterful machines. They are similar in price, and they are both top-notch choices for your pool. If you have a difficult choice to make, I would absolutely recommend both of these because they both are very, very good. If you have a really large pool, the Aiper might be the better option for you. But if you want a little more simplicity, the BeatBot is a perfect option. After you've selected your mode, you simply will put it in the water and it will start right away. Depending on the mode that you've selected, it will begin to either go to the bottom and begin cleaning, or it will stay on the surface for a few minutes while it gathers water into its propeller. Now, it has a great navigation system with up to 7 hours of cleaning time, depending on the options that you choose. The app actually gives you even more options, which are great to review depending on what your needs are. Now, it will completely cover your pool. It will clean the floor, the walls, the water line, the platforms, including shallow areas as little as 8 inches in depth, which helps control algae and to reach spots that most cleaners can't reach. There you can see the power of that jet propelled system. This completely helps you clean the entire area of your pool. The floor, the wall, the water line, and any platforms and steps as well. It has advanced jet pulse water surface cleaning. It's a dual jet water system that converges outward extending flows, actively guiding any floating debris into the suction center, dramatically improving the surface cleaning efficiency. A hydro balanced structure is a center-mounted, self-developing, high-efficiency pump which generates this real strong power that enables it to climb even curved surfaces like you see here. It also works in all pool shapes and sizes with the ability to clean unique areas, including platforms and steps. It will work on in-ground and above-ground pools up to 3,230 feet. See how it navigates through this section of leaf debris? It completely picks up what it goes over in its path, and it will come back and pick up the remaining leaves in this pile that have collected in the corner of my pool. Now watch how it climbs here. The walls also interrupting the leaf pattern debris in the bottom of the pool, and on the walls it's cleaning the water line as well. It offers a 6-liter debris capacity fine filtration basket, and this beast of a machine has such great suction. You will see it climbing surfaces like this and holding on for extra scrubbing on the water line. It is excellent on the steps, as you will see here. It's going to clean my steps very, very well. It has a unique feature that it will work in shallow water down to 8 inches that most cleaners can't access. Now, this reduces manual spot cleaning and helps prevent algae in hard-to-reach areas. I look forward to it for many years to come. The BeatBot app is tailored for effortless cleaning with even greater controls of spot cleaning features and automatic upgrades. The BeatBot Sora 70 has really cleaned my pool beautifully. Look how crystal clean it is. The water's perfect. And the BeatBot does have the jet propulsion system that is new, and it does force the water to bring the debris inside the top on the surface, but the Aiper will be working for you on the surface longer. They both self-park at the edge of the pool for easy retrieval. You can't go wrong with either one of these. They are absolutely the best in the game. I highly recommend them both. Now please like this video and follow us for more videos about these two great companies and others like these. I highly recommend them both. I hope this was helpful. Please follow us for more. And after this video, there is a graphic that will give you exactly a good breakdown of both of these in comparison. You can easily take a screenshot and print it on your printer. I highly recommend both of these.